Hello and welcome back. This is Stevie Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at a set of coins of 5 coins that made up a set in 2019 for 50 years of the 50p. There were 2 sets. One was cultural and the second one was military or military. This one is the military set. It went on sale on September the 15th in 2023 to celebrate the Battle of Britain Day at Change Checker. I don't know whether this was just that they had a few, they had some spare sets and decided to put them on sale for the anniversary of the Battle of Britain. I don't know. However, they were cheap, a lot cheaper than the original sets were, which was why I bought them. Now, if you go onto the Change Checker website and see if they're still for sale, I don't know whether they are or whether they've run out yet. However, the first coin is the Battle of Britain. Oh, sorry, not the Battle of Britain, it's D-Day. This was first issued in 1994 to commemorate the 50th anniversary of D-Day landings. The coin depicts an armada of ships and planes heading in a single direction. The reverse design that you see at this moment is by John Mills. It's a copper nickel coin weighing 8 grams and has the diameter of 27.3. Now this is important, and the reason why it's important is this coin originally, when it was originally released, was in the larger format. If you see a Battle of Britain in this format, in this smaller format, it's going to be a 2019 one from this series. If it's got a different date on, then it's a dodgy one, because it's only been released in this format of this size in 2019. It's a lovely coin. It's very crisp compared to the ones I have of the older versions. Very clean and lovely coin to start the set off. There were 5 coins in this set, and the second one is the Victoria Cross the Medals. This was first issued in 2006 to commemorate 150 years of the VC. The VC is the highest award for gallantry that can be awarded to British servicemen. The reverse designed by Claire Aldridge. Now, I'm not too sure, but I don't think just British servicemen can win this. I think it can also be won by people who were part of the Commonwealth or Empire services at the time that they were serving in their armies alongside the British troops. It's a copper nickel coin weighing 8 grams and has a diameter of 27.3 millimeters. Again, a beautiful coin. These ones, like the original, the Battle of Britain, do turn up occasionally in hunts, and everybody's very excited when they do because they were never released. And I think there's only been 1 or 2 coins from this set ever found in hunts by other coin tubers. So it's a very, when you compare them to the circulating coins, they're very crisp and they look fantastic in that condition. So that is Victoria Cross the Medals. Its sister coin is Victoria Cross. It's known to most coin collectors as Victoria Cross the Heroes, but the Sunday best name, as some people I've heard them call them, the Sunday best name, the actual name of the coin is Victoria Cross Soldier. Again, it was first issued in 2006 as a partner coin to the Victoria Cross the Medals. So it commemorates 150 years since the Victoria Cross was awarded firstly. And the serviceman that has been awarded the honour, and it's designed by Clive Duncan. So the 2 Victoria Cross medals were designed by different people. The specification is that it's a copper nickel coin, It weighs 8 grams and the diameter is 27.3 millimeters. So that's a third of 5. Again, the next one is the 1066 Battle of Hastings. It's first issued in 2016 to mark the 950th anniversary of the Battle of Hastings. The coin depicts the fate of King Harold and his hands of William the Conqueror. It's designed by John Bergendahl, that's Bergdahl. Now, there's been some controversy about this coin in the recent past. Somebody had it on for a ridiculous amount, I think it was £65,000 on eBay. This coin isn't that special. It's even the ones that of the high minted to a high standard, the proof type coins wouldn't reach that sort of money. This coin is just over face value normally if you're buying it from eBay or other secondary markets. It can be between sort of £1 and £5 normally. Depends on how much you want the coin for your collection, but it isn't normally the highest, and it's certainly not £66,000. It was just somebody chancing their arm, I think. So that's the Battle of Britain, sorry, the Battle of Hastings coin. Lovely coin, and is well liked by collectors and people who do coin hunts. They enjoy finding it. And for each book that you make up in a coin hunt, of course, you're going to need one of them. And the final one is the Battle of Britain. The reason why this set was released this time round was because of the Battle of Britain Day. Battle of Britain Day, September the 15th. That was around about the time that this coin and this set of coins were released, for September the 15th. It's first issued in 2015 to commemorate the 75th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. The coin depicts 3 airmen running towards their planes, and it was designed by Gary Breeze. The specifications as are for the rest of them: 8 grams copper nickel, and its diameter is 27.3. Again, this coin is found reasonably easily in circulation. People do like them, and what can you say, it is a special coin. And being ex-Air Force, I remember Battle of Britain Day parades with pride and dread. Dread because we had to get the #1 uniform out and spit and polish the shoes and do silly things like that, and then march up and down looking a little bit of a wally, because it's not something we did every day like the RAF regiment. So there we go, Battle of Britain. Very interesting coin, very good coin, very nice coin to have. This set is a 5 coin set, originally released in 2019, and there's a full set in its sleeves. What you also get with it is a description of what each of the coins are, and it is also punched in 4 places so you can fit it into an album. So, what do you think of this set? Do you like it? I certainly think it's one of the better ones. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers by midnight on the cusp of the 1st of January 2024. Today is September the 23rd, and I have around about 226, I think it is, subscribers, and I'm aiming for 250, as I said. If you believe I deserve it, would you please subscribe to the channel and join me through the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, etc. Right, I do 4 as a minimum, but normally 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or notes, wherever you're buying them from, I hope you can get them at the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.